So you want to lose that fat in your arms and get them really nice and toned up? Then stay tuned. You've come to the right place. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sion Buns again with another awesome video. Today's video is all about toning your arms and building strength. It will help you get strong on your biceps, your triceps, and also your forearm. It's made for beginners, so it's really easy to follow along even if you're still new. It has a series of workouts with a couple of rest periods in between. Once you've completed the entire series of workouts, you then rest for about 90 seconds and repeat the whole process about 3 times. Before you get into the workout, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time I post an awesome video like today's. Anyways, I'm excited. I hope you're excited as well. Let's get started. What's up, my friends? Really am excited for you that you made it this far. I'm proud of you. Big ups to you. Once again, do this exercise about 2 to 3 times a week. Once it gets easy and comfortable, you know it's time to level up. Go ahead and check out my channel. I've got plenty of videos that show you the more intermediate and advanced arm workouts for you to level up your game. Anyways, you guys have been awesome. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell so you don't miss out every time I post awesome content like this one. Anyways, peace.